Welcome back. I am so happy to have you here. These are the quiz codes for November 2024. These codes are good until the end of the month of November the 30th. So let's get to these quiz codes, shall we? So for those of you who are taking the National Counselor's Mental Health Counseling Exam, these are some quiz codes for you to utilize. They are one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight various or more areas here covered for you. It's also a case study that I put together. So happy studying. I will be adding more material for the National Counselor's Mental Health Counseling Exam. But if there are materials that you already using that you want me to add to this list with the quiz app, let me know. Please comment in the comment area. And also, if you do not know how to use these codes, I'm going to put that information in the description box for you. So happy studying. You got this. I'm proud of you. You're working your way there to that passing score. And let me know if you have any questions. All right. Have a good day and happy studying.